There will be a statewide recount of the election for Supreme Court. Good evening. I'm Eric Franke. Susan is off tonight. JoAnne Kloppenburg filed for the recount this afternoon. News 3 political reporter Jess Garb joins us live from Warner Park, where Kloppenburg made that announcement tonight. Jess?
Well, Eric, Kloppenburg admits a recount may not change the outcome of the election, but it is needed to restore voter confidence.
Today, my campaign is asking the Government Accountability Board to conduct a statewide recount.
To cheering supporters and a few opponents, JoAnne Kloppenburg announced what took her 3 days to decide, that she will request a recount in an election she appears to have lost by 7,300 votes.
There are legitimate and widespread anomalies and widespread questions about the conduct of this election, most visibly in Waukesha County, but also in counties around the state.
Kloppenburg says votes in Fond du Lac, Winnebago, Milwaukee, and Racine counties are also in question.
A recount may change the outcome of this election, or it may confirm it. But when it is done, a recount will have shined necessary and appropriate light on an election that right now seems to so many people to be suspect.
To her victory claim earlier, she says she has no regrets.
I feel that I have been a winner in any number of ways. Whether I will have earned the most votes in this election is something to be determined by the recount.
Now, in a statement tonight, the Prosser campaign calls the recount, quote, nakedly political. It says the only way she could find enough votes to win this race would be to, quote, challenge and disenfranchise thousands of Wisconsin voters, and that ultimately the recount is simply a waste of taxpayer dollars. This would be paid for by taxpayers because it is within 0.5% difference between the winner and loser in this election. The GAB has no estimate at this point how much that recount could cost, but says they have been preparing for one and believe after a court hearing tomorrow clearing up what type of recount they will have, that it will begin sometime next week.
All right, Jess Garb reporting live at Warner Park tonight. Jess, thanks.